Alright, so this is a K motor you guys saw me pick up last week. I'm gonna start stripping it down, gonna take it apart, send it out to Turco, get the heads decked, and send the bottom end out to Cylinder Support Systems, get it closed decked, and then we're gonna start building. K motor, and now explain that.
Fuck that up.
Yeah, go ahead. Explain what you.
So there's a slide pin here that helps lock VTEC on this not so VTEC motor that only has VTEC on one side. But we're not gonna get into that. So in order for this thing not to fall apart and go all over the place, you just zip tie these two rockers together, and then when you pop it up, you should be fine. Nothing should really fall apart and like go all over the place, because you don't want that. So you take these things apart, make sure you squeeze it together, and when you pull it up, because if not, again, if it slides out of the slots for the I forgot what this fucking thing is called, but yeah, it's another mess. So
You're gonna be just those two.
you got a table to put this thing on? Somewhere clean.
This is a nice table right here. I'm gonna rotate it
This is what I was talking about. See it? Together. So, squeeze.
My man is saying about a black dude doing that shit.
Yo, you got something that's not so big, like a ratcheting one.
You want smaller?
Yeah, I don't need all this. It's a whole lot of.
You look like you're struggling.
I'm not. It's just uncomfortable.
He's like, yo,
Supposed to help with the coolant, like help guide it to where it's supposed to go. I think people usually put it back in there. You're ready to kick it in, I guess, because I don't even surprised I didn't have wood. Yo, these are clean. They're pretty
bad.
They're not bad. They're actually pretty good.
It's an Accord. Did we really expect it to be bad?
You'd be surprised. I see some wild shit in the Accords. Like that guy at the Taconic that flipped to the Accord. Oh, she's black. Yeah, car stuff.
Alright, so as you see, the motor is now fully torn down. Plan is I'm going to send it out to get CSS'd and then get a K20 head, right? And type S oil pump and then probably turbo tough rods and pistons, yeah. What, ARP 2000s? Whatever the fuck he said, I don't know Hondas. And then next is body work on the Civic.
Yeah, when you get crank walk, it's because you compromise your thrust washers with either your non-driving ass or a crazy ass clutch.
Take notes, Mitsubishi.
That or you didn't put a clutch stop in your twin disc and you thought you were that guy. And you ended up with crank walk. You were that guy.